Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. I'm George from Watson by Love. I'm currently in charge of the US market, but before that, I was mainly responsible for the Asia and European regions. Today, I have a guest from India. I'm so excited to interview Mr. Srinivas from Biosquare, who has been working with us as a distributor of Watson products for about 8 years, since
Yeah.
2017. Hello, Srinivas.
Hi.
Yeah,
How are you?
hi. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. I'm so happy
Yeah.
to meet you again.
Yeah. It's been quite old friendship.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. I both
Uh,
the bonds and friendship together. And thank you very much for accepting this interview at first. Thank you very much.
yeah. Thank you so much. With pleasure meeting you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure to meet you again.
Yeah.
So when was the last time we met in person? Our exactly
That was
Analytica.
our last. Yeah. That was our last meeting.
Right. I miss India because we
Yeah.
spent a week in
Yeah.
Hyderabad,
Yeah.
and you took me
Yeah.
a lot of place.
Himayat Sagar Lake.
Himayat Sagar.
Himayat Sagar. And we went to Hindu temple,
Oh, Hindu temple.
and we had been to couple of authentic.
So, the first question, could you briefly introduce your company and the market
Yeah.
situation in India?
We started our company in year 2011.
Mm.
We are basically a biotechnologist,
Mm.
and we actually cater to molecular biology labs as well as cell biology labs. Our core marketing products are like molecular biology and PCR products. At the same time, liquid handling products. So we mainly, same, like Watson.
Oh, thank you.
Can see
You have
Watson pipette,
very good.
multi-channel and single channel.
Oh, very good.
Single channel
Single
Watson
channel.
pipettes.
Happen to be the same one, same volume.
Yeah.
See.
Mainly, we are catering to government research organizations, at the same time agri-biotech companies, as well as poultry diagnostics and seed companies. At the same time, private research institutes, hospitals, and biopharma sector. These are all our customer base.
Yeah.
And we also have a biotechnology lab where we do agri testing. We do provide services like cloning services and genetic purity testing, at the same time SNP studies and RT-PCR studies.
Okay.
We work closely with the end users, and we understand their requirements. Based on that, we try to find good manufacturers, and we try to provide the solutions to them at best quality products at economical prices. So because of that reason, we are quite successful in agri industry.
Right. Yeah, let's move on to the second question. Could you tell me what made you decide to carry our Watson BioLab products?
My first approach to Watson was 2017.
Right.
Okay, and in 2018 we started working closely. Okay, and in 2019 I visited Watson facility to check the production and their capacity, everything.
Yeah, you visited Kobe, right?
Yeah. See, the thing is that we were actually working with various brands earlier. Okay, but the thing is that either they are lacking some complete product range, or they are not up to the mark in terms of quality. So we decided to find out for the new company, and then we came across through while searching on the internet, we came across Watson BioLab. That's how we started approaching.
Okay.
Then we requested some samples from Watson BioLab, and we tested in-house, and we tested with our customers, and customers felt very happy. Initial screening was good, and then we discussed about pricing and other parts, and we felt that price is okay, and then we started promoting Watson BioLab, And not only that, actually Watson has the PCR range of products actually.
Right.
So that also made us to choose Watson, because Watson is the original manufacturer for PCR products, and they are doing a different kind of PCR plates, and they manufacture by doing their own research and research. So we really attracted towards that. And after testing the PCR plates, we found that very less evaporation and everything. So that attracted us to promote more because of attractive pricing.
Very good.
Our customer base is mainly PCR, RT-PCR, NGS, and genome. And though we do cell biology products, but our core customer base is the molecular biology. And they always do PCR and liquid handling. Actually, initially it is very difficult for us to convince the customers with the Watson Biolab product, and we have to make a lot of visits. And I need to thank my marketing department, like they put a lot of extensive efforts, and they have done extensive sampling. And we need to thank Watson also for supporting with respect to samples. Okay, and it is a time consuming process. It's not a single day process. So it took years for us to establish the brand. Today in India, Watson Biolab means they think about Biosquare. Okay, so that is the reputation we made actually. So it took a lot of efforts, and we had to go to view extensive sampling and convince customers. Then we have to convince them by price. And we have to face Chinese manufacturers in terms of pricing. All these things we faced a lot, and finally we could able to convert the market a lot. And I have to thank the Japanese quality. So that really helped actually.
Japanese quality.
The support system is very great. Okay.
Thank you.
As and when with respect to shipments and other things, Watson is doing great job. The only thing what we are facing the problem is a little delivery schedule.
Delivery schedule.
So because Watson facility is far away from India, so the moment we take a week get the shipment, it is taking 4 to 6 weeks time. Our sincere request is to, if possible, try to kindly make some local stock so that immediately it can be deliverable to India. So that is the only request. And rest all the things like with respect to after sales service support, everything, we are having excellent time with Watson.
Thank you for answering that. We should improve, and we should install the inventory management system. That's the shorten the lead time would be the key to be more competitive in the Indian market.
So that is in order to compensate that. Right now what we are doing is like we are managing the local inventory. And because in Indian customers, they don't wait for longer. Some small shipments can be delivered very fast.
By air.
By air.
So, the shipment takes longer time. We should. Thank you for pointing it out plainly. Do you have any message to other potential distributors?
See, I can only suggest other distributors. One thing is like Watson is producing excellent products, and the quality wise they are really superb. Okay, and only thing is that people who want to promote Watson, I will tell them that kindly proceed and go ahead and promote the products, and customers will be very happy with the Watson products. And I can tell that all our Watson customers are not changing to other companies. Okay, so as long as price is maintained, they are very much happy. I always tell them to go with the Watson. Okay, I strongly believe in that, and I am the example for the past 8 years who has been with the Watson, and I trusted that brand. I stayed with Watson for 8 years.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy to hear that.
I can tell one more thing. Here in India, since I have been promoting Watson Biolab for last 8 years, they are recognizing Watson Biolab and Biosquare together. and we made a
compounds
name,
we
and
knew.
that's how we penetrated in the market.
Thank you very much for everything today, and it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you so much from my end too. Yeah, bye. Yeah.